We'll set up the wonderful romantic setting in this next romantic song that will be performed for you. The other evening while we were here taking part in the ceremony, we noticed some of the members of the other delegations already becoming very friendly with one another as the stars and the moon above us was creating sort of a romantic setting. This is the theme of this mele, Nani Yahi Yahi, which was composed by one of our upcoming young artists, a member of the Kanaka Ole family at home, Lopaka Kaumakaiva Kanaka Ole. The song is entitled Nani Yahi Yahi, and to share with you this beautiful romantic song of love, our ladies again. Nani Yahi Yahi for a beautiful evening setting for a romantic relationship. And that style of dancing, the Kumu notes, is what we call the hula'a noho, in which they sometimes dance noho in a sitting fashion and in other times ku, standing. This will